Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix when you are trying to send the messages on the Facebook. At that time you are facing this type of irritating error on your phone. So as you can see guys, could not send. So same error I also facing before few days. So finally I have got the easy and simple solution. So I am not using the particular messenger app for sending the messages. So on the Facebook app you can get the messages option on the top right side corner of your screen. Just tap on it. From here you can easily able to chat with your friends without using messenger. Okay, so I am using this method. So if you are also using this method guys, so at that time you can get this kind of error. If you are a regular user of messenger app, so just you need to download and install the messenger app on your Facebook. Okay, so in case if you don't want to install the messenger app on your device, so you can follow this method. So now what you need to do, you need to check your internet connection. If the internet connection is not good, at that time you can also face this kind of error. Okay, if the internet connection is too good, working fine, only when you are sending the messages, so you are facing this kind of error. So now you can try this next method. Now you need to update the Facebook app, open the Google Play Store, and here you need to search Facebook and simply update the app. Okay, after updating it will fix your problem 100%. In case still you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to open your phone settings like this, scroll down and find out apps like this. From here you need to find out the Facebook app. So open it. Here go to storage like this, clear the caches and clear the data of this app. Remember one thing guys, if you are clearing the data of this app, it may reset all settings of your Facebook and it will also log out your Facebook account from the Facebook app. So this all thing will happen after clearing the data. Okay, do it on your own risk. After doing this guys, restart your phone one more time. After restarting, open the Facebook app and go to messages section. Now try to send the message. It will fix your problem now 100%. Okay, so these are the easy and simple solutions to fix the problem. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and simple video. Hope you enjoyed. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.